Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sandy Ardiansyah Faris. I'm from AMI AIPI Makassar. My major is Nautical Department Level 2.
And my name is Moses Christopher. My major nautical level 2.
A maritime accident was reported last night. What action will be taken?
And investigations will be conducted to find the cause.
If negligence is found, what will happen?
Penalties will be imposed and legal proceeding will be started.
Will the compensations will be required for the damages?
Yes, compensation will be paid by the responsible party. A maritime accident was reported last night. What action will be taken?
An investigation will be conducted to find the cause.
If negligence is found, what will happen?
The penalties will be imposed and the proceedings will start.
Will compensation be required for the damage?
Yes, the compensations will be paid by the responsible party.